Hi and welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. Today I'm going to show you around this fantastic Volkswagen Tiguan. This is the Allspace 2 litre petrol R-Line Tech. It's 4Motion, so it's all-wheel drive, and it's automatic, so it's DSG. It's finished in platinum grey paint. It looks absolutely fantastic in this colour. We rarely see a car in this colour. You've got your really nice Suzuka alloy wheels. They look really sporty. You've got all your R-Line badging and your silver window surround and roof rails as well. You've also got your rear tinted windows just to give a little bit of privacy if you'll have kids or anyone travelling in the back. As I bring you around, you can see it is really looked after. It's in a really lovely condition. I'll unlock the boot and show you inside. It is the electric tailgate, so you just press underneath and it'll pop open for you. And as you can see, there's your boot. You have got the 2 additional seats that you can fold down if you just need the larger boot space. Another cool thing is it's got the swivelling tow bar as well. So you just pop that, the tow bar will pop out for you. And there you go, you're ready to tow. When you're ready to close the boot, you have got the electric closing, so you just pop the button on the top and then that closes for you. So I'll bring you around to the side. You can see it's really lovely. So I'll open up the back and I'll show you the space in the rear. So you've got the really nice Vienna leather interior. Plenty of space in the back there. You've also got the seat trays, so it's perfect to keep the kids entertained or put their iPads or their lunch on if you're travelling a longer journey. And then to access the 2 rear seats, you've got the easy slide seats, so you just pop forward and there you've got access to your 2 rear. Perfect for a larger family. You've also got the 3-zone climate control, so it's perfect for children. So I'll get in the car and I'll start it up and I'll show you some of the features it's got on the inside. So inside you've got your touchscreen display. You've got your navigation system. You've also got your CarNet and App Connect, so you can connect your phone with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay or MirrorLink, depending on what phone you've got. Underneath there, you've got your climate control. You've also got front heated seats, so it's perfect in the winter to keep you warm. And there's your automatic gear stick. So if I pop that into reverse, you'll see you've also got area view, park assist, front and rear parking sensors and the rear view camera as well. So it's perfect for getting in and out of those tight spaces. This is your driver mode selection. So if you just press the button, you can choose between the different modes depending on how you want the car to feel when you're driving it. You've also got your 2 cup holders, your electronic parking brake and auto hold as well. So onto your steering wheel, you've got your multi-function steering wheel. You have got adaptive cruise control, front assist and lane assist. And there's your digital dash. It looks really good. You've got automatic headlights and you've got heated and folding door mirrors as well, so it adds that little bit of security on the narrow streets. A really cool feature of this car is the electric panoramic sunroof. To open that, you just need to pull the toggle back and it'll open. It lets so much light into the car. And then when you're ready to close, you just need to pull the toggle forward. And there you go, you can see it close. It's really quick as well, really easy. You've also got the electric sunblind as well. So if you just pop the button, it will close. I've only got it half closed and still it lets so much light in. Here's a close-up of your seats. You've got your R-Line embroidery. And as you can see, really looked after. No marks or anything like that on any of the leather. You've also got your really nice grey dash inserts as well. Looks really nice. So I do hope you like the car. If you've got any questions or you're interested, please give us a call. Thank you.